Hi there. So, in the previous two videos, we talked a little bit about some insurance that comes in handy in a lot of cases. I recommend that you always get a owner's policy for title insurance, and there are certain situations where you would be required to get flood insurance. Flood insurance is going to be something that will protect you in the event that water comes into your home due to an unusual weather event. Now, the insurance that I want us to talk about right now is homeowners insurance. Now, there are certain situations when somebody is going to require you to get homeowners insurance. For example, if you have a mortgage on a house, then you're going to be required to have it. And I would recommend that you get it even if you're not required to get it by your mortgage company, because it's going to protect you from big events that could be financially harmful to you. You know, if you've got a lot of money and a big event happens that costs you a lot of money, that's not a big deal. But the thing is that if you have a very unexpected big event take place and you don't have the money to cover it, then there's going to be a need for you to have some insurance for something like that. So you'll spend the money every year to get you covered for it and hope that nothing happens. And then if something does happen, then you've got the coverage to help you with it. Now, real estate professionals can advise you that it is a good idea to get homeowners insurance. However, real estate professionals are not here to tell you what type of policy you should get, what your deductibles should be, how much of a limit you should have for your coverage. I would recommend that you talk to a licensed insurance professional about figuring out what the best coverage that you can get is. There are a lot of things to consider. One of the things that you really need to consider when it comes to getting a policy is keeping track of what the approximate value of your home is, because with a homeowner's policy, there are certain coverages that may not be in effect at as high a level as you anticipate in the event that the value of your home goes above a certain amount that it was at when you got the policy. So keep an eye on the value of your home, especially if you've had it for a while and haven't had it checked here in the last few years, because a lot of people who've owned their home for 20 years or more may have no idea just how valuable their home is now, and their homeowner's policy may need to be adjusted because of that. And then, depending on what your financial situation is, it may be a good idea to have quite a bit more coverage than you might expect, just because of just how financially devastating certain events could be. So when you talk to your insurance agent about that, they can give you an idea of what's best for your situation, or at least give you options, and then you could take those options maybe to a financial professional who can help you a little bit more. But one of the things that a realtor can really help you with, even if you're not working on buying a home right now, is they can look at your property and give you a general idea of what it might sell for if you were to sell it today. And by knowing that dollar amount, you can take that information to your insurance agent and see if they can give you any advice about whether your coverage is where it needs to be or not. So if you would like to talk to me about the value of your home, or if you'd like to talk about buying or selling a home, you can make sure that you get in touch with me. You can email me at this email address. You're going to spell out the word Tennessee, and it's Tennessee Sweet Home at gmail.com. I hope you have a good day.